Welcome to my channel. I'm David, and here you'll find a vibrant mix of photography content covering everything from micro four thirds to all camera formats. We'll dive deep into Instagram, exploring tips and tricks to maximize your presence on the platform. Plus, you'll catch glimpses of my lifestyle through a few eclectic videos. If you're passionate about photography and social media, you've landed in the perfect spot. I've been captivated by photography since my teenage years, transitioning from film to digital, just like many of you. On this channel, I share my journey, showcase my work on Instagram, and host popular photography challenges that bring our community together. Beyond photography, I indulge in various hobbies and occasionally share those interests with you. Here, you'll find regular uploads featuring camera reviews, locations, and photography techniques, often tied to the challenges I host. Whether you're curious about a specific camera model or a particular photography style, chances are I have a video for it. I stay updated with the latest Instagram trends and platform changes, sharing insights and updates to keep you informed. You'll also encounter a few lifestyle videos where I share other passions and interests, adding a personal touch to the challenge. If these topics excite you as much as they do me, you're in the right place. This is the perfect channel to subscribe for all your photography and more. So why not join along, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Welcome aboard.